Mathematics paper 1, question 2. Solve the simultaneous equations. All right, x plus 2y equal to 1, x squared plus y squared is equal to 2. How do we do that? Right, so you can start with whatever is simple. You can make x the subject of the formula, so that x from there is equal to 1 minus 2y. Then we substitute here where there's x, meaning we have 1 minus 2y squared plus y squared equal to 2. We expand this. This is the same thing we're having this. Okay. Plus y squared equal to 2. 1 times 1, 1. 1 times negative 2y, negative 2y. Negative 2y, 1 minus 2y. Negative, negative, positive 2, 2, 4. Y and y? Y squared plus y squared equal to 2. Collect the like terms. You know here we are having 1 minus 4y. Here they are the same terms, so we add 5y squared equal to 2. Correct? Now we have 5y squared minus 4y squared equal to 2. This goes the other side, becomes 1. So we have 5y squared minus 4y equal to 1. We can take this one the other side so that we can have 5y squared minus 4y minus 1 equal to 0. Now this can be solved by factorization. Okay, where we find the sum, the product, and the factors. So the sum is a number in the middle, negative 4. The product is a number here, and that number there, which is negative 5. So we're looking for two numbers, which when we add, we get negative 5. We multiply, we get negative 4. So we add, we get negative 4. But when we multiply, we get negative 5. That is negative 5 and 1. Multiply this, you get negative 5. Add them, negative 4. Meaning we get our 5y squared. We branch negative 4y using the factors, meaning we get 5y. 1 times y is just y minus 1 equal to 0. We collect the terms. So 5 is common here and 5y is common there. So 5y is common here. Take it out, you're going to y. Take it out, negative 1. What is common here? 1 is common, so that we can have 1 minus y. Don't say nothing is common here. 1 can go there and there. So you take it out because that's the only thing that is common. So now we get what is outside equal to 0. So we know that this is 5 plus 1 equal to 0, or y equal to 1. So of course here we know that y is negative 1 over 5. Or we know that y is equal to 1. Now, we also need to look for the value of x. So we proceed and say, when y is equal to 1, what is x? And when y is equal to negative 1 over 5, what is x again? All right. So now, what is x? So we know that this is x is equal to 2. Sorry, is equal to 1 minus 2y. 1 minus 2y. 1 minus 2, y is 1. 1 minus 2, so x is negative 1. Meaning the first answer is that x is negative 1 and y is 1. That's the first one. Or when y is negative 1 over 5, we take it back there. We know that x is equal to 1 minus 2. We put negative 1 over 5 there. Negative and negative multiply to give us positive, meaning we have 2 over 5 there. Of course, this will give us 5 times 1, 5 plus 2, 7 over 5. Meaning our next value is 7. Our next, let me not put it like this. Our first answer is that x is negative 1, comma, y is equal to 1. Or our x is 7 over 5 and our y is negative 1 over 5. Just like that. And you are done. Kwapu, 5 marks.